Hello and welcome to another What's Inside. This time we're looking at Ragers, Champions of the Arena from Galactica Games. This is a 15-minute game for 2 players, ages 14 and up. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. This is a Polish game, and a lot of European games are pretty cool, but translation can sometimes be a little tough. So let's see if the pieces hold up. I've heard good things about this, but haven't actually played it. It just says Ragers around the board box. That's a little lazy. Here's our rule book. And because this is a foreign game, you want to make sure that you get the proper language on your rule book. The rule book's pretty nice. It's stapled. I like that. Inside we've got 55 cards, including 22 combat cards that are red, 22 combat cards of defenders, which are blue, 5 patron cards, and 6 cheer cards. So it looks like it's pretty straightforward. This is probably going to be a little more advanced than is suitable for some younger players. Here's our deck. Box has a cool design. See if they're hiding anything under here. Nope. Stupid time stories ruining it for everyone. Alright, so let's take a look at the cards. Like I said, there's supposed to be 55 cards here. That's what the back of the cards looks like. It's an okay design. I think it looks a little indie art for my taste, but that looks much better. Oh, these have a different back. My fault. So these have this backing. And these are your cheer cards, I'm guessing. You'll notice the symbols are different up in the corner, so that probably will make a difference, so you want to make sure all your cards are accounted for. Next up we've got these cards. These are your red ones. So we got 2 of him. 2 of the dwarf guy, 2 of the sorcerer guy, 2 of these archer guys. I don't know what that's supposed to be, but you get 2 of them. Two of that guy. Oh, there's a 3rd one of him. 4th one. And the cool cover picture. Four of her. This gladiator looking guy. 4 of him. Alright, those are pretty cool. Alright. Again, I think these back cover art or back designs are kind of lazy looking, but the other sides look pretty good. Two of that guy, 2 trident and net, 2 blue wizards, 2 crossbow dwarves. 2 rejects from the movie Labyrinth. For that guy. For Spear Girls. And 4 Blue Gladiators. Alright, card quality is pretty good, actually. I would sleeve these just because it's got the black border. If it nicks up a little bit, it's going to look really bad. They are okay quality cards, pretty solid. Actually kind of impressed with that. The imagery is good on the main images. The back design, I don't like that. As far as quality goes, it's really good. This could have been in a much smaller box, though, and that probably would have made me a little happier, because there's really no need to have a box this big, especially because it's kind of a weird shape and a weird size for what you're getting. It's effectively a deck box, and it should have been probably half this size. I do like the art on here, though. That picture's really cool. That was a good choice for the cover. So that actually got me to buy the game. I think the interior art's fine. The back design is a little rough looking. It looks very indie and a little lazy. But overall, the art is solid. Card quality's good. I don't know how the gameplay is, but I'm sure it's fine. It looks like it's a pretty solid game. I've heard good things about it. So I would be comfortable paying probably $10 for it, because if you get 4 or 5 uses out of it, you've got your money back, or at least it's justified itself. So it looks fine. The rule book, you'll definitely want to make sure that that is in your language. So yeah, overall it looks okay. I wouldn't pay more than $10 for it, though. I don't think it's worth that, considering what you're getting in there is really just a deck of 55 cards. And I'm not willing to pay more than $10 for that, because that's about the price of a starter deck of cards for a CCG. But that's just my take on it. We've seen what's inside, heard my opinion. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss future reviews. If you want to help the channel out in other ways, links are in the description for my Patreon, Streamlabs, and other ways to support the channel. And of course, that's also on the About page. And as always, we hope to see you on the next one.